Well, I've been driving good old sweptcharger for a while now and taking it to work every day. I just gave her this quick little wash. So I figured I will do a quick video on why and how I decided about the lower rockers and all that. She's prepped for rockers. Oh. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Hit it with a primer, Captain. Well, she's now coated and out. The rockers look great. Not really sunny out right now, but color matched to what's there. They also did the black undercoating in here. So now that's the thick, heavy grade material. Got the inner wheel wells done. Coated all the way in the back. Wrap that around the corner. Added a little bit of graphic. We even got rid of that vinyl pinstripe, and we now have a hand pinstripe and a thicker black pinstripe line up there. Now I'm pretty much guaranteed that black trim that I was thinking about putting here, I'm definitely going to do. So we'll get this home, buffer down one more time, and put that black trim on. I think the outside will be done. Well, it's been a couple days since it was coated. I've been driving it to work every day, and I'm pretty sure we're going to take, and I actually took one of these ugly pieces of trim, and if we kind of just tack it on there real quick to give it a quick look. Ow, heck, kind of hard to do with one hand, you know. So I think that's totally going to work for what I got going on. See, we got rid of that vinyl pinstripe and went with this darker pinstripe. Added the black to really accent the swept line of calling it a swept line. We also did that for kind of the gap in between the body line there and where this hood kind of is a little lifted, because back to, we really don't care about fit and finish. So shove that down a little bit, but there's that little bit of gap underneath the hood. So now that black line carries that through. So a little bit of black there. We've got the chrome trim and everything over the top. So I think that little chrome strip there, tying onto the chrome bumper. As much as I absolutely hate that black rubber stuff, I think that's going to be the finished look. So I'm going to wipe it down, clean it. I'm going to adhere that on. And next to that, I think that's going to be the exterior finish and the exterior look of it. See how it looks after I get all of it done all the way around. There at the one side, I really like it. It looks like it's supposed to be there. Makes it definitely look longer, which makes a Ram Charger short squattiness look longer. But I'm still on the fence about this piece in the front. So I've been asking the boys, and the girls actually, what do we think? Because this is just taped on for right now. And do I, maybe it should, I think maybe it needs to go. I think. And that's just tacked on. Yeah. It does finish it across. Maybe I will put it on. Well, I'm going to do the other side and leave the front off and decide if I'm putting that on there, because it's just doesn't look right. The nice part is it's just double stick taped on, so it'll come off real easy. But I do think that finishes it kind of nice. Got that black bumper in the back, that black line. Hey, don't be laying on the Cuda's back seat. All right. Let me go throw the other side on. Oh, backlight just turned off. Ah, so it's on. I think one of the rolls had older 3M on it. I had to take it all off and add different 3M tape to the back, and it seems stuck way better. So there she is with her goofy moldings, lower rockers coated so I can slam down gravel roads, let it just bang around, enjoy it, drive it. Here is all the excess. So I had no extra for any kind of foo bars. Well, now we just drive her, enjoy it. If those fall off, well, maybe I'll get a different style, but I definitely think I'm going to keep that that look. I'll try to take it for a drive and get a little bit of a running shots with it, kind of with the outside finished out. But that is the outside. I just gave him a little wash. Actually, it's probably the first deep clean. I've hosed it off or washed him a couple times, but there it is outside with the chrome, or the rubber trim, the pinstripe line. Got to thank Dennis again for his pinstriping. He does some of the best work. He's getting up there in age. He doesn't do it as much as he used to. He used to pinstripe everything for me. Next weekend is a little in-town showy shine car show. Hoping for good weather. I think it'd be fun to take this. I'm never going to really be taking this to car shows. I made this to drive. I threw it together for fun. There's nothing show quality about it in the slightest, other than it's just a fun little rig. Every time I drive it, people ask me, what is it? So I think it'd be kind of fun. And then I think I'm going to park them next to the beast here. I'll rinse her down next, put them inside, and wash her of it, giving this one a good cleaning in a few years, or a few months. And I think we'll take that, park it next to that, and that is where those are going to be. So there's supposed to be some kind of store power people coming to the show to come look at things. And I sort of want to take Rusty there too. I think Rusty with his box dumping, sitting there in all his glory. That truck's so much fun to bomb around in. But anyways, that's the sweptcharger. Pretty much in its daily driving. Take it to work every day. I've been having lots of fun with it. Got plenty of pep. Looks just awkward enough to be funny and cool. Well, that is that. You ready to go get washed? Yes, you are. Let's go get you clean. Go ahead. Come on. Pull you in the booth.